How to install Windows XP in VMware Workstation. The first thing is that you have to be with this Windows XP disk image on your computer. You can check the link in the description below to download it. Even you can download the VMware Workstation software. Again, the link is the description. Now click on Start to open the VMware Workstation. Here click on Create a new virtual machine option. Click to select typical option. Click on Next. Here select I will install the operating system later option, and then click on Next. Select Microsoft Windows option. Now under Version, click and select Windows XP Professional. Click on Next. Here enter the storage that you want to use. And here click on Next. Down here click on Customize Hardware. Under Memory option, click here to increase the amount that you would like to use for your Windows XP machine. Click on Processors. Here on Numbers, select 2. Now click on New CD or DVD, Auto Detect option. Here click Use ISO image file. Click on Browse. Select the Windows XP disk image. Click on Display. Under 3D Graphics, uncheck Accelerate 3D Graphics. Here click on Close. Then after click on Finish. Click on Power on this virtual machine. OK. Then the installation will start. Here try to follow the whole processes. Here click on Enter to continue. Press F8 to agree. Now here is the storage. Select the storage and then press C to create the partition. Press Enter on your keyboard. Here select Format the partition using the NTFS File System Quick option. Press Enter to continue. The software will start copying files, so here you have to be patient according to your machine. OK. Here you will see your computer will reboot in 15 seconds. Press Enter to restart the computer. Then we go to the next step. This process will again take some time. Here you can see it's installing drivers first. Now this menu will pop up. Click on Next. Enter your user's name and then click on Next. Enter this product key and then click on Next. Click on Next. Again Next. Now follow the instruction. Here you have to waiting for the software copying the files. Please if you new don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more useful videos. Again, after here the computer will restart. Here click on OK. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Click No, not at this time. Click on Next. Enter your name and click on Next. Then click on Finish. Done. Now to make the screen big, click on VMware option. Here select Install VMware Tools. Here the drivers will start to install. When it's done, the Windows XP will be in full screen. Done. Now we have successfully installed Windows XP on our system. So, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.